Welcome to my channel Engineer Tech. I am Professor Dr. Mohammad F. Shabir, working as professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this video, the topic discussed is catalytic converter. The location, construction, principle and working of catalytic converter will be explained in detail. What is a catalytic converter? Catalytic converters are the most effective exhaust gas after treatment system used for reducing engine exhaust emissions found on most automobiles. The catalytic converter is a part of an automobile exhaust system. The catalytic converter, which resembles a muffler in shape, is located between the engine and the muffler. Generally, they are called three-way catalytic converters because they are used to reduce emission of three harmful compounds found in engine exhaust: CO, carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas; HC, unburnt hydrocarbon, a cause of smog and acid rain; NOx, oxides of nitrogen, a cause of smog. Regarding construction, catalytic converters are usually a stainless steel container mounted along the exhaust tailpipe of the engine. The stainless steel container is filled with ceramic porous structure through which exhaust gas flows. Aluminum oxide, alumina, is the base ceramic material used for most catalytic converters. The ceramic porous structure is honeycomb structure or loose granular spherical structure called pellets. Volume of the ceramic structure is generally about half the engine displacement volume. Alumina, the substrate material, is coated with catalyst material. The catalyst materials used mostly are platinum, palladium and rhodium. Inside the catalytic converter, there consist two ceramic blocks with micro ducts consisting of platinum and rhodium in one block, while platinum and palladium in the other block, acting as catalyst. A catalytic converter reduces harmful gases and pollutants in exhaust gas by catalyzing a redox reaction, an oxidation and a reduction reaction. In ceramic block 1 with platinum and rhodium catalyst coating, reduction reaction takes place. 2NO plus 2CO gives N2 plus 2CO2. The second reaction, 2NO plus 2H2 gives N2 plus 2H2O, that is NO is reduced to nitrogen in reduction reaction, whereas in ceramic block 2 with platinum and palladium catalyst coating, oxidation reaction takes place. 2CO plus O2 gives 2CO2, Hc plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O, that is both CO and hydrocarbon Hc are oxidized to CO2 and H2O gases through oxidation reaction. Now let us discuss about the working of catalytic converter. The hot exhaust gases enters inside the catalytic converter. Hot exhaust gases like oxides of nitrogen NOx, carbon monoxide CO and unburnt hydrocarbon HC enters into ceramic block 1 where it reacts with platinum and rhodium. Here exhaust gases like nitrogen, CO and hydrocarbon leaves ceramic block 1 after reduction reaction. The oxides of nitrogen NOx or nitric oxide NO is reduced to nitrogen. Hot exhaust gases like nitrogen N2, carbon monoxide CO and unburned hydrocarbon HC enters into ceramic block 2 where it reacts with the platinum and palladium. Exhaust gases like nitrogen N2, carbon dioxide CO2 and water H2O leaves ceramic block 2 after oxidation reaction. We can see that the carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon gases are oxidized. The working of the catalytic converter. The exhaust gas, which contains harmful emissions like NOx, CO and HC, is passed through a three-way catalytic converter. When the harmful emissions passes through reduction catalyst, NOx is reduced to N2. Then, when the harmful emissions are passed through oxidation catalyst, CO is oxidized to CO2 and HC is oxidized to H2O and CO2. Thus, in three-way catalytic converter, the three harmful emissions are converted to non-harmful emissions. We can see catalytic converter before use and after use. It is always recommended to replace the catalytic converter after its life cycle for better engine life, higher engine efficiency and to save our environment. I hope you like this video. Thank you.